Good morning, students. Today I am doing some recordings for you on our program Keynote. Hopefully you find these helpful and hopefully you can refer back to them as needed. They will each be titled by what is covered in each video. So Keynote is a presentation program, much like PowerPoint. It can be used to share information with a large group of people or a small group of people, but it's a way to organize your information in a neat and organized way. The Keynote icon looks like this, found in your doc, so you could go ahead and click on that. When you click on it, there are some basic themes. Just so you know, if you choose these themes, typically you have to have those themes throughout the entire presentation, but they certainly are something that you could choose. I like to start with just a basic white, so I'm going to go ahead and click on basic white and then hit create. Now you can see that this does kind of mimic PowerPoint in a little bit, in that you have your slide here and your tiles over here. To click on area, just click on it and then you could type in it. So I might say something like this, and then you can go ahead and put a subtitle if you want it. If there's an area that you do not need, you could click on it and hit delete. That will get rid of it. And then down here I'm going to put in my name. To get additional slides, you could click over on the side tile and hit return. Those will put the slides in. Again, I can give myself a title here. Okay. And so you could go ahead and put that in. Again, I don't need this text box, so I'm going to get rid of it. Just a few things with the text box itself here. If I come up to text, this is where you could change your font type, your bullet type. So let's say this I'm wanting to change. I can highlight it and maybe I choose something like this. And maybe I don't want it black. Maybe I want it purple. So I can change those things. Down in here, maybe I don't want this bullet point. Instead, I can highlight this and come down. This is where you can center things, both horizontally and vertically, right here. You can change your spacing, your bullet points. Right now I'm using a text bullet, but maybe I want to use an image bullet. And there are some ones that you can choose from in here. So maybe I want something like that in there. Otherwise, like I said, there are different text bullets and you can use this down arrow. And so maybe you want an arrow like this and you could change that text bullet color if you so choose. And just like in PowerPoint and in Word and Pages, to get another bullet point, you simply click after the last thing you typed and then hit return, and that will put it in. So those are the basics of how to type, how to change your font, and how to get your basic bullet points.